Hi, my name is Adán Bejerano. I belong to the Ngôbe Buglè indigenous group of Panama. The Ngôbe Buglè people are one of the largest indigenous groups of Panama and also one of the poorest. There are about 128,000 of us. We lack all of the basics, but we are all working together to change this. I am the co-founder of Medo. Medo is a non-profit organization whose principal objective is to improve the standard of living for the indigenous population in Soloy and its surrounding areas. One of Medo's main projects is to bring safe drinking water for the Ngôbe Buglè people. Most families here in the mountains in Soloy drink water from a spring or from the river. This water is contaminated and not safe for drinking. This is one of the reasons why children and adults often get sick from diarrhea and vomit. Unfortunately, the Ministry of Health has done nothing to change this, so we have to do something ourselves. One solution to our water situation is to establish rainwater harvest system. This system will allow families to preserve the rainwater to use for drinking and cooking. Ecodona is helping us to fundraise for a pilot project that will establish 5 catchment systems. These will be placed in popular locations so that local people can learn about the concept. The community cannot afford all the materials necessary for the rainwater catchment systems, so we need your help to contribute 75% of the cost. The community will contribute the other 25% of overall cost. We are grateful for your support. Thank you.